Hi everyone. So this is the continuation of our discussion. So for now, we are focusing on the summing amplifier. So the summing amplifier is a variation of the inverting of operational amplifier configuration. So as a recall, ano nga ba yung tinatawag na inverting amplifier? So ang inverting amplifier ay op-amp kung saan yung ating input signal is applied to the inverting terminal. So ano po ba yung inverting terminal? Ayun po yung may negative na sign or minus sign. So let's define ano nga ba yung mga summing amplifiers. The summing amplifier ay merong two or more inputs and its output voltage is proportional to the negative of the algebraic sum of its input voltages. Moreover, we have here the averaging amplifier and the scaling amplifier. Ito po yung variations ng ating basic na summing amplifier. So to start our discussion, let's have the figure. Ano nga ba yung itsura ng ating summing amplifier? Here's the figure of a summing amplifier. Again, it is a version of inverting operational amplifier. We have here RF for the feedback resistor. Another, we have R1, R2, R3, and R sub N. So we have here different N inputs of the summing amplifier. And to compute for V out, that is negative quantity Vn1 plus Vn2 plus Vn3 plus Vn sub n, wherein n is the number of inputs. So for example, if you have five input resistors, so R1 to R5, therefore, ang ating V out, ang computation niya ay negative quantity of Vn1 hanggang sa Vn5. To fully understand the summing amplifier, let's determine the output voltage in the given figure. So we have here RF as 10 kilo ohms, R1 to R3, 10 kilo ohms. And for the respective voltage, input 1, positive 3 volts. V in 2 is equal to negative 1 volt. And V in 3 is equal to positive 8 volts. Again, we need to compute for the output voltage, and using our formula presented earlier, so that is V out is equal to negative V in 1 plus V in 2 plus V in 3, since we only have 3 inputs. Substituting the given inputs, so that is equal to negative quantity 3 volts minus 1 volt plus 8 volts, and a total of negative 10 volts. So with that, our answer in this example is negative 10 volts. Another scenario is a summing amplifier with gain greater than unity. When RF is larger than the input resistor, so it means dun sa ating scenario, mas malaki yung value ng ating feedback resistance compared sa ating input resistors. Unlike kanina, we have an example of resistors wherein RF and the input resistors are equal. So, in this case, kapag mas mataas yung RF, the amplifier has a gain of RF all over R. So, where R is the value of each input resistor. And to compute for V out, that is negative RF all over R, quantity V in 1 plus V in 2 plus V in sub N, wherein N is the number of input resistors. Let's have an example. We have here RF 10 kilo ohms, R1 1 kilo ohm, and R2 1 kilo ohm. And for V in 1, we have 0.2 volts. V in 2 is equal to 0.5 volts. To compute for V out, we need to understand ano pong summing amplifier yan. So since the condition, we have RF is greater than the input resistor, so this is a summing amplifier with gain greater than unity. Using the formula, V out is equal to negative RF all over R, quantity V in 1 plus V in 2, which is equal to negative 10 kilo ohms all over 1 kilo ohm, quantity 0.2 volts plus 0.5 volts is equal to negative 10, quantity 0.7 volts, and our final answer is negative 7 volts. Another variation of summing amplifier is the averaging amplifier. So variation of a summing amplifier that can produce the negative value of the mathematical average of the input voltages. So as you can see in this example, our feedback resistor is equal to 25 kilo ohms, and our R1 to R4 is equivalent to 100 kilo ohms. We have four input resistors, and to average our R1 to R4, we need to divide it by 4, and we have here the value of RF, which is 25 kilo ohms. So given we have different input voltages, V in 1 is equal to negative 1 volt, V in 2 is equal to positive 2 volts, V in 3 is equal to negative 3 volts, and V in 4 is equal to positive 4 volts. To compute for this V out, we also need the formula of negative RF all over R, quantity V in 1 plus V in 2 plus V in 3 plus V in 4. And substituting the values, that is negative 25 kilo ohms all over 100 kilo ohms, quantity negative 1 volt plus 2 volts minus 3 volts plus 4 volts, which is equal to negative 1/4 quantity 2 volts. Our answer is negative 0.5 volts for our output voltage. So a simple calculation shows that the average of the four input values is the same as the output, but opposite sign. So to get the average, that is negative 1 volt plus 2 volts minus 3 volts plus 4 volts, which is equivalent to 2 volts divided by 4, that is 0.5 volts. So this can be another calculation to get the average of the input voltages. And the negative of that is RV out. In our case, in our example, 0.5 is our V in and our output is negative 0.5 volts. So what if we have different weight in every resistors? So a different weight can be assigned to each input of the summing amplifier, forming a scaling adder by simply adjusting the values of the input resistors. As you have seen, the output voltage can be expressed as the following. So V out is equal to negative quantity RF all over R1, V in 1, plus RF all over R2, V in 2, plus RF all over Rn, V in sub n, wherein n is the number of inputs. So for our example, we have here different input resistors. So this example is a scaling adder. For RF, that is 10 kilo ohms. R1, 10 kilo ohms also. R2 is 100 kilo ohms and R3 is 47 kilo ohms. V in 1 is equal to positive 3 volts, V in 2 is equal to positive 2 volts, and V in 3 is equal to 8 volts. So kapag magkakaiba po yung ating input resistance, dito na po papasok yung scaling adder. To determine the solution for this example, we need to calculate the weight of every input. To compute for the weight of the input, that is simply the ratio of RF all over the input resistance. For 1, RF all over R1 is equal to 10 kilo ohms all over 10 kilo ohms, which is equal to 1. For weight of the input 2, RF all over R2 is equal to 10 kilo ohms all over 100 kilo ohms, which is equal to 0.1. For the input 3, that is RF all over R3 is equal to 10 kilo ohms all over 47 kilo ohms, which is equivalent to 0.213. Now to compute for the output voltage, so V out is equal to the negative quantity RF all over R1 V in 1 plus RF all over R2 V in 2 plus RF all over R3 V in 3, which is equal to negative quantity of 1 3 volts plus 0.1 quantity 2 volts plus 0.213 quantity 8 volts is equal to negative 3 volts plus 0.2 volts plus 1.7 volts with a total of negative 4.9 volts as our final answer. For our summary, the output voltage of the summing amplifier is proportional to the sum of the input voltages. An averaging amplifier is a summing amplifier with a closed loop gain equal to the reciprocal of the number of inputs. In a scaling adder, the different weight can be assigned to each input, thus making the input contribute more or contribute less to the output. That's all for the summing amplifiers, and God bless.